Today I'm going to be dipping this 1022 Ruger wooden stock that I already have prepped and base coated in a silver metallic base. Right here we're going to be dipping it in a water drops effect pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the activator onto the film now, and we'll go ahead and do our dip. Film has glassed up and liquefied, and now I can go ahead and dip the part. One more view of the base coat color there. Some nice silver metallic flake on there, so go ahead and dip the part now. Nice with that base coat color, so now we'll go ahead and rinse it off, and then we can go ahead and apply the clear coat after